Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. I recently shared on my Instagram that I was really into the speckled polishes and I didn't have any in my collection, so I went ahead and mixed a couple of my own nail polishes and created this beautiful color. I'll insert a picture here so you guys can see what it looks like on my nails. I decided to test out some more and I created this beautiful gray polish, and I also made this beautiful pink one. So let's test these out and see how they look on the nails. I wanted the polish to be really sheer so I could apply it over another color if I wanted to, or just apply several layers to get the opacity I want. Let's apply the second coat. The first coat I applied it really thinly, so it dried really quickly. Here's 2 coats and I really like that coverage that it has. I'm gonna apply a third coat. That looks gorgeous, I love it. Let's try the pink one. This one is definitely a lot more sheer than the gray one, but I really like it too. And I could always darken it up by either applying a base coat, or I can even add more polish into the actual bottle and make it darker. You can definitely see the sparkle in this one. I applied a second coat and finally a third coat. Even after the third coat, there's still a visible nail line, so this one I would definitely apply it over another polish. And since I have this swatch stick here, let's go ahead and test it. It looks gorgeous over this purple, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it over another color. Here are both polishes side by side. I really love the gray one, and I really like the fact that it's really smooth compared to the pink one, which feels a little bit more rough. I did not apply a top coat on either of these, but I'm sure with a top coat it'll be smooth too. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content and you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free.